Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to make a automatic baby swing. I am using a printer motor here. This motor runs with 12 volt. The maximum amps referred is 1.5 ampere. I have made two sheets to connect the spring. This is a spring holder. I'll be using 3 springs. The tension of these springs is very smooth. I can pull this even with my hand. And I am using a relay circuit in this. This circuit will help to power off the motor when the weight is lifted, and after that it will cut off the relay for few seconds. So we will be going to connect this to the power, test it. So I have connected the motor to the adapter now. We will be checking the running of the motor. So this is the running of the motor. It runs for a few seconds and stops. Again it starts. This is a continuous loop. So the basic concept is, when the motor stops due to gravity, the rope will extend and it will pull down. This motor I will be connecting to the sheet here. I have made the drills. The size of this drill is 20 mm, 20.5 mm. This is 5 mm. I will be connecting two screws here to hold this motor. I will be connecting it here. So I will fix this motor in the sheet. Then I have to connect a bobbin here to this. This is the bobbin I will be using. This we have to fix it to the motor like this. I will be using a sleeve to connect this bobbin to the motor. I'll complete it now. I have made a holder to hold this thread. I have connected it to the motor also. To make this, I am using a 2-pin plug here. I have removed this point. I have made some packing inside. I have kept some packing to the motor shaft. With the help of screw, I can tighten this. This bobbin is connected to the sleeve. Before doing all this, we have to cut and remove the gear which was connected inside. I'll show the gear. This was the gear connected to the motor shaft. I have cut this vertically. So once the gear becomes weak, it will come outside the shaft. Now I will be connecting this motor to this plate here. Then we can go for a trial from this. The motor is becoming hot when it is running for a long time. So I will be using a heat sink here, aluminium heat sink. This paste also, heat sink paste. This heat sink will be connected here, opposite sides, one in this thread the other one here. So even if the motor is running for a long time, it will not become hot. I'll fix all this to this plate here. I have connected the motor to the plate now along with the heatsink. So here is the screw which holds the sleeve. You can adjust the height when you make a sleeve like this of this bobbin. Even if you want to take this inside, you can move it. You can even pull the bobbin outside. So we are ready to go for a trial now. I'll connect everything. We can check this.